So for the same example here, if we want to use the concept of gradient without using formula, so first of all, we can find out the center from the equation. Then we find out the gradient. So from the center to the gradient here, we can form out the gradient normal first. So what we can do is we find out the normal equation, then we use the concept of perpendicular to find out the gradient of tangent. So this is another way besides we using the formula given here. So based on the same example here, by using gradient concept, so we need to find out what is our center first so that we can find out the gradient normal. Then we put it into the equation of the line to find out equation of the normal first. So look at our general form of the circle: x squared plus y squared minus 6x minus 10y minus 82. So same procedure, we find out what is your G, F, and C. As center can be read by negative G, negative F. So center, we know that this is 3, 5. So once we know this center is 3, 5, then we can start calculate the gradient of normal. So formula to calculate gradient: y coordinate minus y1, then x coordinate number 2 minus x1. So we can find out these two gradients first. Gradient between these 2 points, which is gradient of the normal. So y coordinate minus become positive, then x coordinates minus, it become positive. So 10 over 4, it gives you 5 over 2. After that, once we get the gradient of the normal, we using the concept of perpendicular. Gradient of normal times gradient of tangent, we can get negative 1. So from here, we can find out our gradient of tangent, which is negative 2 over 5. So now we can build out our equation. So for equation of normal, it will be x, y minus y coordinate. So you look at your normal, you will passing your coordinate of x. At the same time, you're passing the coordinate of center. So we pick either one. So I take the point x here. So negative, negative become positive. Gradient. So y will become 5 over 2x plus 5 over 2 minus 5. So the working will be a bit different from the beginning, but once we get the gradient, we put into equation of the line, the rest of the step will be same as using formula. So for equation of tangent, so to build the line equation, y minus y coordinate, then gradient, we put the equation, the gradient of the tangent, then x minus x coordinate. Simplify these two constants, you get negative 27 over 5. So method is different, but answer will be getting the same.